Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are safe at home. So let's begin with today's online session from Standard 1 English Prose. Today we are going to learn from point 1, number 2 poem Nature. This poem describes nature to us. Nature means all the plants, animals, rivers, forests, and humans that exist together in this world. First, we'll read this poem from our Balbharti textbook. To nature. Listen, sing, and act. Nature is might, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody, nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true, nature is you, nature is me, nature will forever be free. Now we'll learn this poem and read one more time. Nature is might, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody, nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true, nature is you, nature is me, nature will forever be free. Now see, in the back side you will see a picture. In this picture you will see various things. So these all are natural things like the sun, clouds, rainbow, trees, rivers, flowers, mountains, birds. These all are natural things. Now we'll learn what is nature. Now see, nature is might, which means nature is very important and powerful because of its size, because nature is so big. Now, nature is strong. Nature is strong, which means it has lot of spark in it. Nature is beauty. Nature is beauty, which means it is beautiful because of its animals, mountains, flowers, seas, oceans, and all other things that nature is made up of. The next, nature is moody. Nature is nature is very moody, which means that it keeps on changing like the different weather conditions such as summer, winter, rainy, and so on. So understood? These four lines. Nature is might, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody. Now you go to the next stanza. Nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true. Now see the first line. Nature is smart. Nature is smart, which means it has knowledge about of what is happening around it. Nature, nature is blue. Here, the poet refers to the oceans and the sky, which are blue in color. Nature is green. Nature is green. Here it refers to the trees and forest which are green in color. You will see in this picture that nature is blue also and green also. Nature is true, which means it is a reality. It is very real. Nature is real. So understood this stanza? Nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true. I will go to the next stanza. Nature is you, nature is me, nature is forever be free. Now see, nature is you, which means nature is you, which means we all are a part of a nature. Then nature is me. Here the poet also describes themselves as a part of nature. We all are a part of nature. Nature will forever be free. Nature will forever be free, which means we cannot control nature. It is free. It will do anything and work in its own way. We can't control on nature. So students, I hope you understood the poem very well. Now, one more time, we'll read it from our textbook. Nature is might, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody, nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true, nature is you, nature is me, nature will forever be free. I hope you enjoyed this poem. Now in this poem, some of the new words are came. Just we will read it. Nature, might, strong, beauty, moody, smart, blue, green, true, ever, free. Now it's time to do an activity. Now we have to match the following. Now see the first. Might. Now here we have to match the words which are rhymes with. So the first, might. The might answer will come. Now see, we, glue, seed, night. Yes, so might and night. Understood? Then the next, free. Free, tree. Because it sounds same. Then me, me, me. You have to match with we, me, we. They are the rhymes and the sound same. So we have to match them. The next, blue, blue, glue. BLUE, blue, GLUE, glue. Understood? Blue, glue. Then green, 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 SWN, sin. So we'll match green with sin. So understood how to match the following? So these are the rhyming words. Might, night, free, tree, me, we, blue, glue, green, seen. I hope you understood how to match the following. So thank you. Be safe. Stay at home. Take care.